Is your Chicago home stuck with floors that drag down every single room? And every contractor quote comes loaded with fine print and surprise costs you never saw coming? Stop settling. Unique Hardwood Flooring Chicago delivers stunning, professional hardwood installations, and we show you every fee up front before we ever touch your floor. As Chicago's trusted hardwood flooring specialists, we've transformed thousands of homes, from Gold Coast condos and Wicker Park brownstones to Naperville and Elmhurst family homes. Solid hardwood, engineered hardwood, herringbone patterns, bamboo, walnut, white oak. Our master craftsmen handle every species and every style. And we do what most contractors won't. We share every hidden fee that could come up before we ever start your project. Our customers call it refreshing. We call it the only way to do business. They told us every cost up front, zero surprises, says one Gold Coast homeowner. For residential, commercial, and industrial clients across Chicagoland, this is unique. From brand new installations and dustless sanding to refinishing, staining, stairs, and repairs. Unique Hardwood Flooring Chicago is your one-call solution. No subcontractors, no shortcuts, no bill that doubles after the job starts. Just showroom quality floors, total transparency, and craftsmen who treat your home like their own. Residential, commercial, industrial, we do it all across Chicago and every suburb. Ready to fall in love with your floors? Visit hardwood-flooring-chicago.com to schedule your free in-house estimate or call 312-972-1514 today. We come to you, we show you every cost up front, and we deliver floors you'll never stop showing off. Our project calendar fills fast, so call now and lock in your date.